Jordan 1 Low SE. These are my first ever pair of Jordan 1 Lows.
Just one looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight. Just one looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight. Hold out your hand, yeah. Every day you're with me when I think I can't stand, yeah. You got big things coming, part of your plan, yeah.
Guys, if you like sneaker videos and you want to see more, like, subscribe, turn notifications to make sure you don't miss any more of my reviews. I'm going to be doing my whole collection next up. I can't wait to show you guys these. I've already done the unboxing because, quite frankly, that bit's boring. Let's just get into it. So, you get this box, it's pretty clean. I don't know why you can see that on camera. So you get the Jordan logo there, you get the Jordan logo there. These are the Jordan 1 Low SE Electric Green. And in my opinion, they look super cool, man. But there's like a hidden secret within these trainers, okay? So the trainers, one of them comes with these like tagged to them, and then the other comes with this little message. So you won't be able to see it, but I'll read it to you. They both come with a little message. So the message says, please note, upper leather with two-tone colour, top colour brushes off after wearing. So my sneakers, my kicks, my trainers, they're going to change colour from the awesome green at some point. Now, I think I've got an idea of what colour it's going to go to. Considering all that writing's in bright green, that's kind of giving it away, which is normal for the leather application. These lightning green, electric green, whatever you want to call it, green laces are sick. I love them. Let's just get in to the highlight of the trainer, right? For me, the most addictive part about a trainer is the tongue. There's something about the tongue on a kick that just, it attracts me. And the fact that that sticks out, it's like jumping at you. It's embroidered and it's bright green. I love that. I've got a pair of Nikes with orange and black. They look hype. But what do you guys think of the colour? I mean, I like it. I really like the colour. And eventually, this colour, with all the black and green, should go similar to this. Now, would that be too much? I actually kind of like the black on it. I might just... essentially, this is a Panda Dunk, but a different model. Now, comfort-wise, actually, we'll get to comfort in a little bit. I'm not really feeling the comfort of them at the moment, but I need to bed them in. But for my first ever Jordan 1 Low, my first ever Dunk, I mean, I love them. The look of them together, amazing. I don't know, is it your sort? Would you wear it? I love the colour, man. It looks awesome. The way the check goes really nicely. Boom. Very nice. Inside. Back. Got that Jordan brand on the back. Got the Jordan brand on the front. I love that bit. That's the highlight of the shoe for me. That bright green, I love it. Jordan brand on the back, pretty cool. It's kind of darker on one side, so it kind of takes away from the Jordan brand there a little bit, not so much. But it does say that they're going to wear away eventually. I wish they had put a little dash of green in that the bottom bit. Would have been really cool if you'd done that. But just overall, as the first ever Jordan 1 Low, I'm really happy. Quite happy to try it on. Just play with it, play with ideas on how to wear them. I'm kind of fascinated in the way these two tones work. I'm just itching to scratch it off to see whether it actually does change colour or they're just playing with us. But I can't see them doing that. That's like basically Nike covering their ass. I can't see them doing that. They're not coming true. So this is my first ever pair of trainers that's going to do that. But I think the green looks sick because it'll have the black outline. So it'll make it pop. Do I like them? Do I like the look of them? Yeah. 10 out of 10 for the style. It's completely different. It's completely out of my normal style. And I've seen a lot of people wearing Dunks recently, so do you know what? I thought I'm going to get a Jordan 1 low and just see if I can rock it. And I seen everyone getting all the styles on the TikTok shops and everything like that. And I was like, do you know what? I'm going to go on the Nike shop, see what they're releasing soon, and I'm going to cop something. I'm hearing some people say good things about these and bad things about these, but I really like them, man. You could probably wear these in winter and summer. But let's get down to the nitty gritty. Are they comfortable? First off, when you put your feet in them, you get like a hard bit. Where this lever comes around here, the upper lever, it's not the most comfortable. There's something on this trainer that's bugging my foot, but I think I just need to wear them to break them in. Like I had to do in my my Terrascapes. I was doing my Nike Air Max Terrascape 90. They needed time to wear. I had to wear them for a little bit before they got comfortable. But I'm keeping these as like my unique trainer, right? I'm going to keep them in good condition. I'm going to wear them when I feel like wearing them. I'm not going to wear them all the time. Leave a comment down below. Let me know, should I put the green laces in? Do you guys want to see them with the green laces? If you do, because I'm going to do my whole collection. So I feel like I want to do it, but unless you guys motivate me, I doubt I'll do it. But I think they'll look sick with the green laces in. I've been looking at all sorts of Dunks, lows, highs, everything. And this is the only pair, to me, that stood out from the crowd and sort of got me to buy them. These were £114 on the Nike shop. Not too bad price at all. I think worth it. The leather they've used on it will last for a while. They're going to crease bad at the front on the toe box. They will crease there. Jordan there as well on the insole. The insoles are cool. I don't like taking insoles out of trainers. I don't like to mess with them too much. If this goes bright green all the way around and hits against that black, that's going to look sick. The mystery of this trainer is what's hooking me, alright? The mystery of this trainer is what's hooking me. It's different. I like it. Thank you very much for watching. Something new, something interesting. What colour do you reckon they're going to go? Leave a comment down below. If you have enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, turn notifications to make sure you don't miss any more of my video. Have a great day. Peace.
Just one looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight. Big mountain, what do I say? Them can never lower you my way. You go low, then you go high. You go near, then you go far. You go call around, 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 around. But you're falling down and down and down. You just wanna go the distance. Promise you I'm what you missing. Promise you my life, promise you my time, promise you no lie, yeah.